Welcome to C++ Coding Ninja. Hello everyone! So today's tutorial is going to be about do-while statements. So do-while statements are very similar to while statements. For example, like I said on the previous tutorial about while statement, let's say we want to create a while statement that will count from 1 to 10 or perhaps 1 to 100. So what we can do is we can write while. Okay, and let's define a variable right here. Int number while number is less than less than or equal to 10. Okay, and I have to also say that number equals 0. Number is less than or equal to 10. Curly braces. Cout number. And on the next line we can just write number plus plus. So what plus plus means is like add 1 to a variable or something, like a variable. And also that, so if you add plus plus, that's the same way of saying number equals number plus 1. And also you have variable minus minus, which is the same thing as number equals number minus 1. So that's it. So we can do number plus plus. So then we should get all the numbers from 1 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I forgot to say a new line, but I can just do that right now. Okay, so that's but however, there's another way you can do this. Some ways this can be better, and some ways normal while statements can be better. So this is called a do-while statement. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to have do, and then you have curly braces, and after the do you have a while. So then you can write your condition. So first you can write do number cout number sorry, and not the string number and then you can say number number plus plus while number is less than or equal to 10. So what this does is that so what happens is that the do-while statement runs the program at least once before the while condition occurs. So what happens is that the computer reads from top to bottom. So then when it reads, it says do. It does whatever is in here, and then after it'll show while number is less than or greater than 10. So then it will keep this condition in mind. It'll do this again, and once this reaches 10, it will once number reaches 10, the program will stop. As you can see, we get, and also I always forget, but also you have a semicolon after the while statements. So now once you do this, have all the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, that's like any while statement, but sometimes it can be handy. It can be handy in case if you want to, like for example, if you want to ask for the password, like as long as the person can gets it wrong. If he gets it right, then you accept it. So let's say that happens, then you can use a do while statement, so that at least if the person gets the password correct in the first try, then yeah, it works. So that is what do while statement is. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload my next video.